Hello all, this is Mrs.D.Gokila from the Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to explain you regarding the data types of Java. So actually we have already seen the introduction of Java in the previous session. Now we are going to discuss about the data types in Java. So the data types here, first of all, Java data types is a statically typed and also a language that is used for representing the variables in the Java. So that may be like each type of data may be an integer, character, hexadecimal, etc. And it can also be defined as a part of the programming languages. So the data types are of different sizes and it is also used for different places. The data types is also the building blocks of the data manipulation, and it can also be further divided into boolean, character, byte, int, long, float, double. And also it is also representation of numbers, integers, real numbers, characters, etc. So this is the types of databases, data types. It is present in Java along with the range of values. When we go for byte, it is minus 128 to 127. When we go for short, it is minus 32,768 to 32,767. And the integer, it is minus 2,147,483 plus 247,483. Long, it is minus 223,372 to 64 bytes. And the float is plus or minus 28. And the double is 308. And the character is Unicode characters, and the boolean is true or false. So this primary primitive data types can also be continued with the tables, and it also be can used in the variety of data types that is present in the Java architecture. So operators. When we go for the operators in Java, we have many things we have to see, that is subscript, call, member access, pre or post increment operators, boolean operators, bitwise operators, unary operators, ternary operators, object creation of new, binary operators, that is concatenation operators with plus, and shift signed operators, that is shift left, shift right, unsigned shift and unshift right. And the comparison operators also tells with instance of, and equally with the comparisons of equal to and not equal to, bitwise AND operator and bitwise OR operators. So these are some of the operators that is present in Java. So the operators can also be a logical sequential operators and logical OR operators, and also conditional operator with question mark, and assignment operators, compound assignment operators, etc. Then we go for the type compatibility and the conversion in Java, that is the widening conversion in the operations that is used for a mixed range of operands, and the numeric type of smaller range is converted into a numeric type of larger range. In an assignment operator, a numeric type of smaller range can be assigned to the numeric type of larger range. Add byte to short and int to long, and it is also a kind of float that is used for double also. So when we declare and setting the variables in the operators, that is used for set, square, double, etc. And it can generally declare local variables, and it is initialized with a wide range of variables with an initial value, zeros and null values also. And when we compare the data types also, it is in a software programming language, it is a type of a variable, and it has what type of mathematical relational operation and logical operations that can be applied without causing a error. So a Java class also an object and a definition, and any class has its primary purpose to store, organize and manipulate data. That would also be an example of a data type. The class data type represents the class in the Java, and it is used to create objects and define their own behavior also. When we take Java, it's a multi-platform object-oriented network-centric language that is used for the platform itself in a secured, reliable programming language, and is also an enterprise software to big data applications and server-side technologies. So there are 5 different data types that is present, like integer, character, float, boolean, etc. So when we go for string, it is a combination of characters on a keyboard such as letters, numbers and symbols. When we go for characters, used for single letters, and as we go for integer, it is a whole numbers, and if we go for real, it is a float numbers, and we go for boolean, it is a boolean operator. It is also when we go for referencing and creating objects, we can declare references variables and also creating objects with the specified data types. and the two references can also be used for a same data type, and new operator creates an instance of a class. A constructor executes a new object when it is created, and also example is the string greater than which is equals to hello. When we go for the data type class, the purpose of it is used for literally property in an objective class. The data type provide a following features such as they provide an SQL and client interoperability by providing SQL logical operations, client data types and translation informations. Where the basic data types are boolean data type, byte data type, character data type, short data type, int data type, long data type, float and also double data type. So Java, the next will be the Java control statements that can be executed with the control of the Java. So this is about the data types in Java. Thank you all.